Hello everyone, welcome to KO Models Weekly New Product News. This week's release speed can only be described as lightning fast, but my assessment is that they all lack some standout features, though the quantity is plentiful. Let's take a look at this week's new products. First, Centaurus 1/100 Scale Crimson Overlord Justice Gundam is undeniably cool, and the manufacturer has incorporated a metal frame to accommodate its massive backpack. However, the price of $40 is considered a bit steep by some collectors. It is currently scheduled for release in the first quarter of 2027. Meanwhile, Big Dog Models released an RG Zeong Effect Parts Kit, priced at a mere $8. I thought it was a Model Plus effect parts, but it turns out it really only includes effect parts. Do they think gamers are too easy to rip off? Gaogao's kit includes both model and effect parts for only $8. Big Dog Model really treating gamers like dogs. In addition, GM Models has updated its official PV since Tsukadome, officially revealing the high-mobility backpack-equipped version of Tsukadome. At the same time, the model exhibitor also announced the heavy-armored Nightfall and the giant modified Nightingale. Additionally, the Shinsho Models MGEX Unicorn Gundam 02 Banshee Norn now features a new MG version color and antenna. Those who have already purchased the product can request replacement parts directly from the store where they bought it. Then there's the MGEX Unicorn Unit 3 Phoenix, which everyone's been eagerly anticipating. The manufacturer has also announced a delay. The kit will feature a new tail design with two different styles and hidden sprue gates, therefore the product will be delayed until mid-August. It's surprising that Supa is finally doing something positive for improvement. Following their HG Gundam Unit 7, Huaxia Models has also announced an HG version of the Messer. Currently, the market is flooded with either models with an excessive number of parts or enlarged RG versions, so releasing an HG model is quite interesting. In addition, the Talsgok Seed Freedom Ver with Cavalier Aphrid has been updated into a set, which is now officially released for $9.60. Meanwhile, Anubis Studios has updated the HG Gelgoog modification parts, improving the overall proportions and enriching the details. Fans of the classic HG series have a new toy to play with. Then, finally, the Orb light figure from Yatagarasu Technology, which many fans have been asking about, has had its product information released. Previously, there had been no news and it was delayed repeatedly, but this week it finally started reviews and officially went on sale. The prototype is known to be based on the ORB-01 Akatsuki Gundam. Perhaps a gold-plated version is also in the works? The design is very cool, and the deluxe version includes two models with two different backpack styles. The deluxe version is officially priced at $45, while the standard version has one model and two backpacks, priced at $30. Faced with two MG-sized models, I would definitely choose the deluxe version without hesitation. The MGSD Destiny Gundam from Supa Studio is also coming soon. Currently priced around $37 on Bandai, it has received very positive reviews and is worth buying and collecting. We'll have to wait and see how Supa Studio fares this time. In addition, the Daban 8839 MB Style Providence Gundam Model Kit has finally received an update, and the product is about to be unveiled and reviewed. Unfortunately, like the Chonglong, it still doesn't come with a metal frame. Based on Daban's past product patterns, regardless of the quality this time, I don't recommend buying it. I'll wait for a future version with a metal frame. Meanwhile, Jianzhou Models is also releasing the Extreme Model Kit series, with an overall design reminiscent of Hazel. Personally, I quite like the design. I just don't know how the finished product will look. Accessory manufacturers are ramping up their efforts this summer, and Hyperspace Studio has updated its product information. The Mega Particle Cannon, compatible with PG and MG sizes, has entered the prototype stage. The overall design is quite cool, featuring an independent stand and a total length of approximately 41 centimeters, including an expandable structure. When expanded, it reaches 57 centimeters in length, and the current pre-order price is $21. The size of this weapon accessory is quite impressive. In addition, the black wooden horse kit includes a 1/144th scale gold Samurai Kai, with a good overall design and a height of 13.5 centimeters. The kit comes with a large number of pre-painted gold parts, totaling approximately 280 pieces. It is currently priced at $8.80 and is expected to be officially released at the end of August. Next up is the classic underwater mecha, Agai Thunderbolt Ver, from Monbois Model Kits. This model doesn't have a set scale, standing 21 centimeters tall. The head includes an expandable structure, and the entire mecha can be fully expanded, revealing detailed internal components and a cockpit. The single unit comes with 3 different equipment styles, allowing for various play styles and poses. Interestingly, the manufacturer also includes an underwater-style display stand, allowing you to recreate scenes of a guy diving underwater from the anime. Currently, the individual unit is priced at $13, while the team set is priced at $30. Personally, I think buying the team set is more cost-effective. In addition, the 4th RG Wing Gundam KO version has officially debuted, with the bumper car model bringing a semi-colored transparent version of the Wing Gundam to the market competition. Bandai hasn't even figured out how to make a fully transparent version yet, but the KO version is already ahead of the curve. It is currently priced at $5.50 and is expected to be released within a week. The fully equipped set from the Otani Model Kit series, which I introduced before, has received an update on Zaku, revealing the prototyping progress of some parts. I hope the manufacturer can polish the product well and release it soon. The multi-mode switching gameplay looks great. I'm really interested in this product, and it's currently on my must-buy list. Shinma Models has released a 1/100th scale model kit of the Rising Freedom Gundam in GK style, which is currently in the review phase. The overall design is indeed quite cool, and the color separation and part separation are good. It's just unclear how well the parts fit together. Priced at $25 and releasing in August, hopefully it's not just an enlarged HG version. In addition, the Angry Birds model kit introduces the Sword Impulse Gundam, which is compatible with the previous Zeus silhouette. Priced at $20, it will be released this month, and reviews are already underway. The product is highly collectible in terms of both its design and overall quality. The giant sword replacement parts allow for the recreation of iconic sword drawing scenes from the animation, and the abundant weaponry and metal frame provide enhanced support and playability. That concludes this week's new product news. Recent new products are all vying for the summer market, with many manufacturers launching similar items simultaneously. I still advise everyone to wait for reviews before deciding to buy. Finally, here's another clip of AI animation from Dragon Ball. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share. See you next Sunday.
Let's see who's actually coming for you. Are they late or just smart enough to stay away?
Where's my father?
Your father went after them. Looks like the search ended sooner than expected.
I see. You're the ones Trunks came back to warn me about.
So you're Goku? I want to see just how strong you are to make Dr. Gero fear you.
It seems this fight can't be avoided. 18. You've played with Vegeta long enough. Now it's my turn.
Fine by me. I'd rather not get any more dust on these clothes.
Even all of us together couldn't defeat them.
What should we do now?
Piccolo, do you have a plan?
Yes.
I'm going to seek Kami. To find a way to defeat them.
What is Goku doing here? Is he actually about to fight Android 17?
Father! Father, are you okay?
block that without going Super Saiyan? Is Goku really this strong? Or is the android just toying with him?
Take the fight elsewhere. I want to watch, but I'm not letting you ruin this outfit any further.
There's a battle going on to the east. I can sense two incredibly strong power levels. One of them is Goku.
He might need help. Let's go there. Neither Kakarot nor the android is fighting at full power yet. They are just sizing each other up.
It really is Goku fighting him. I hope he wins.
17 will take Goku down in no time once he gets serious.
Goku! Are you okay?
Goku, I know you're stronger than this. Show me your true power.
You'll find out soon enough. Whatever it takes, I won't let you destroy this planet's future.
Different from before. He is on a whole new level now.
Not bad, Goku. That was impressive.
But don't think for a second. That's enough to beat me.
Trunks, tell Kakarot to end it now. They have infinite stamina. He can't win a long fight.
Uncle Goku! Finish them quickly! They were created so they don't get tired!
Blast took everything he had. The android must be destroyed.
If this keeps up, Goku's gonna die!
Goku, let Let me help you!
Why isn't he putting up the energy shield anymore? He probably needs a moment to reset. That's my opening.
Now! Guys, lend me a hand. Give him everything you've got.
At last, I've found him.